Hey guys, this is Josh with Drive the Coast. We're here in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, and today we got the privilege of doing a walk around on a 1973 Dodge Challenger. This car was, we bought it from the second owner up there in Alabama. He's had it over 25 years and did a nut and bolt restoration on it about 10 years ago. So it's got a little, miles on the motor, but it was fully rebuilt at the time. It was a numbers matching 318 car, and just runs beautifully. Starts first key, and it just rips too. We'll do a little exhaust note here in a minute, but let's take a look at the body right now. What I love about this car is it's untouched. It's exactly as it was from the factory. Even the interior is in excellent condition throughout. Dash looks mint. Same with the seats. They're exactly like they would have been. You got new foam. All the door panels and steering wheel. Headliner is all in excellent condition. You can see that in the back seat. Same way. Got some Dodge glass, still not reproduction. Vinyl top's in excellent condition. Let's have a look underneath. That low grumble, but I love the rip. Little stuff like that, like the door buzzer's working, all the lights work. We open the door, the light comes on. Stuff like that just really shows me the owner took the time to go through every little thing. Let's have a listen. Be able to hear it in the microphone. Really just a great car. Gauges are clear, lenses are clear, column shift. Anyway, we're gonna go on a little drive here. Y'all can see this car in action. We're located in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, which is over by Destin, which is where our beautiful Emerald Coast waters are. White sugar sand. Encourage you to fly in, go to the beach, check out some of the cool classic cars that Drive the Coast has, including this Challenger, and take one home with you. See that? We'll give it little brakes. It's hard to show you what you can really do here on this beach road, but you get the idea. It's a great car. Feel free to give me a call, 832-379-8817 if you'd like to make an offer. We'll listen to that. We do offer financing and nationwide shipping as well. Thanks so much.